We are in Shibuya. I'm looking for these vending machines. So what I'm going to do is for the next 2 days or so, I'm going to see what I can actually get from like vending machine food. So I'm going to set myself a challenge, hopefully, and 1,000 yen or something, and see what type of foods they have in vending machines, because I know they've got some weird ones as well here. So we're going to test that out, and then yeah, let's go. I'm looking for that first vending machine here. It's somewhere opposite Mega Don Quixote. I've seen it on TikTok. Just trying to locate it where it is. There's Mega Don Quixote on the right here. It's meant to be opposite. If you go in there, your wallet's coming empty. You're coming back out empty. 8 floors of madness, that is. Where's that vending machine, man? I need to have a look at my phone. There it is, the famous vending machines. So you got like ramen noodles there. You've got some ice creams. We're gonna check them out as well. Some snacks. Yeah, and I don't know what those are. These are like some. It's not halal. Let's just keep it that. Yeah, you've got some drinks as well. And some orange juice. Wow, okay. And Don Quixote plushy toy. And then you've got some snacks here as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and try an orange juice first. So let the brother finish. We'll try out our orange juice. And yeah, see how it tastes actually. The orange juice. We're going to check out the vending machines here in Tokyo. So eating and drinking from vending machines the next 2 days or so. And I'm going to check all them out, all the different ones out throughout the city in Tokyo. So let's go ahead and check this one out first. Oh, that's good, man. Fresh orange juice as well. Really, really fresh as well, man. Mashallah. Wow. 350 yens it was, so roughly around about £1.40, something like that. I think 100, no, not £1, probably at £2. Yeah, that's good, man. Don't mind having another one. We're going to check out the other products as well in the vending machine. So yeah, but I thought I'd just try this. Just threw some trash in the bin and this guy starts talking. I was going to do something stupid to him, but you know. So vending machine, little amusement park inside Don Quixote's other side. What are these, man? Tangaloos. I don't know if they're halal or not, that's the issue. What should I try next? What's this? No idea what that is. Gonna try some cotton candy as well now. I think it's about, how much is it? I need to check. I think it's about 100 to 500 yen. Different sizes. So we're gonna try this out now, the cotton candy. See what, how does it taste like? You know, so we're gonna whack this in. Okay. I have no idea which one I'm choosing. Let's go for this pink one. Okay. It's taking a while to load, man. Well, it's taking a while to make the cotton candy. I hope it works. I'm waiting, man. I hope he hasn't eaten my 500 yen. What is going on? Me patiently waiting for my cotton candy to be made, mate, but apparently it's taking quite a while, man. Don't know what's going on. I can hear some noise from the machine coming. It's meant to be coming out of this dispenser here, this door, basically. What's going on? Okay, something's moving. Oh yes, finally. Bloody hell, it took a while. Bloody hell, it's taking a while to make a cotton candy, yeah? Bloody hell. Been here 5 minutes now. How long does it take, man, to make a cotton candy? Oh. Let's take a seat here. 1 second. Oh. That's delicious, man. Let me get my camera straight. Okay. Okay. Not bad, man. Not bad. Cotton candy. On the vending machine. As I've said, next 2 days we're doing vending machine food. We're testing it out. That was well cooked and well made, sorry, cotton candy. Worth the wait, you know what I mean? Everyone's looking at me like, what's this guy doing? Too sweet, man. I'm gonna leave it to the rest, but oh, sorry.
Not bad. Still lucky.
Yeah, now the cotton candy, man. Let's keep it moving. Gonna go and grab a munch now, and then later on we've got something big planned, which might be in the next vlog. But yeah, it's that with the cotton candy here. in this small little amusement park. Vending machine. There's actually a huge vending machine park in Japan somewhere, but it's in another city, where it's literally like all vending machines are outside, like a huge, like a park. But yeah, this was inside Tokyo's Don Quixote, Mega Don Quixote Shibuya store. Let's head on out. We're gonna continue off from the vending machine challenge. So I haven't had anything in the morning, man. So let's see what we've got here. Right, what can I actually get? I mean, they got water, they got Mountain Dew. Yeah, they've got all sorts. So green, Daraka, tea or something, lemon, apple juice as well. So yeah, let's see what we can get, man. I actually got some change, so we're gonna get some change out. Oh, lovely. Can't be an apple juice, you know. Beautiful taste. It's apple juice, lovely. Let's move on. We're gonna head up later on as well. Check out other vending machines around Akihabara, see what we can get out of these vending machines. Try get an ice cream, another vending machine challenge. Yeah, so try get an ice cream. I don't know, so I'll probably get a chocolate one there, 17 ice. So yeah, let's check out these Japanese ice cream. Ice cream now, it's kind of like a cornetto, but a chocolate version. But obviously it hasn't got the extra bits. Normally has on a cornetto, but let's check it out. Oh, that's nice, right? Needed a bit of that. You can find all this in the arcades here. Friday night and everyone's lit, busy, enjoying the arcades. You'll be enjoying this ice cream, absolutely lovely. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. So we continue the vending machine challenge, but look at this, bloody hell, what the hell is this? I'm not trying any of that, but that does not look right, man. And then you've got another one here. Yeah, something's not right about these vending machines, you know. Creepy. What on earth is that? Bloody spider, tarantula inside there. The hell, bro? Oh my days. Give me a $50 million, I won't try anything from that. Bro. You've got some drinks here. Okay, it's another, they're kind of creepy. Okay, these ones kind of switched off. Can't see anything, but creepy vending machine corner, man. Here in Tokyo, so you can get a popcorn as well. I wouldn't mind a popcorn, you know. No, sorry, is it popcorn or is it sweet corn? Looks like popcorn. You could probably try this out. Yo, it's actually being made. Wow, creepy vending machine corner at night in Tokyo. Okay, so we got ourselves some popcorns. I don't know if you can see it clearly. We're gonna test them out. Whoops. Creepy vending machine corner, man. Not bad. It's been raining outside, so that's why I stood under this shelter here. Wherever else, it actually is really creepy, man. Look at this. Inside some very little small alleyway. Popcorn, baby. banana vending machine. Very, very rare banana vending machine, mate. I'm gonna try one of these now, bad boys. So yeah, let's have a look. A banana, man, from a vending machine. Never knew anything like this. Fresh, man. Fire. Love it, man. Needed that something, man. You know what I mean? Needed something sugary, like energy boosting. And why not banana from a vending machine, eh? Yeah. Gonna enjoy this banana vending machine here. We've got in my hotel in Osaka. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna try to get one of these tea, man. I want to test one of these teas out. I'm gonna try to go for that one, the raw milk one. I just translated it from Google. I'm gonna check this out now. This tea. So, yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a bit cold though. Don't know why. It should have been a warm one. Yeah, taste is quite bitter. It's like hardly any sugar in it, but you know what it is. Trying to hopefully knock it back. This is the brand. I don't think I'm gonna have much of that.